Peace, my family, and roll back to all the woke ones out there and those coming out of that good cocoon for the first time. Welcome. This is your girl, the butterfly, and we about to take off. Let's fly. I just want to send you all that good healing energy your way and hope you all are out there keeping your mind right in that good nine mind. How y'all feeling today, my people? I hope you all are keeping yourselves at a high frequency and dismissing and ignoring the lows. I came on here today to share another question and answer from Dr. Malachi York's book called Is God an Extraterrestrial? And this question is, how is it that you know all these things and make it sound so simple? Question. And this is Dr. Malachi York's answer. It is simple when you recognize that you are one of these beings and have passed through or have opened the 7 doors, meaning I am a being that has come from the 8th planet in the 19th galaxy called Eluan, a universe far outside of this one. I came with the sightings of the comet called Bennett. I possess a number of 8 distinctive personalities, and even in each one of them represents a certain amount of information that must be conveyed in these last 30 years, which is from 1970 AD to 2000 AD. Some of the personalities represent spiritualities, and some of them are healers, historians, great men, and some of them are extraterrestrial beings. I am called an extraterrestrial being, what you would call a being from another world, an extraterrestrial from another galaxy. We are more than 100,000 years advanced than you on this planet Key. Since we have passed through this state, I come here to give you the guidance of men out of your own past that has become your future and have returned to warn you. And that is the end of his answer. So I thought I'd share and let y'all know again that it's all love, my family, and peace.